Everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the CGI company, which is hiring for testing positions, and there are various testing positions available in this company, and will also share the referral with you. So please reach out to the referral email address that I'm going to share, because when you approach the job opportunity with a referral, there are short chances that you will get a call for the interview and it would get scheduled. So let's not waste the time and let's jump into the details. So first of all, let me tell you about the different positions that are open. So these are all the positions that are opening, that are having the opening in the CGI company. And these are the position IDs, title, category, and city. And this is the screenshot from the website itself. So you can confirm on their careers website as well, careers page as well. So position IDs are given, title is given, category, and city. So which city this opportunity is, this role is, that is also provided. If it is in Bangalore city or is it in Hyderabad. So you can see there are openings related to payments, API automation, rest assured, then senior lead software development engineer in testing, automation tester, then again senior test engineer, automation testing, senior ETL automation with strong SQL, Python, good to have, and API and automation SDET. So these are the openings that they are having. Okay. Apart from this, you have further more openings in Hyderabad as well as in Bangalore, and those are for senior test engineer, automation testing, senior test engineer, manual and automation testing, senior test engineer, Salesforce QA. So these are the job opportunities, and where you need to share your resume. So that detail also I'll provide to you. Okay. So as we can see, there are different openings from experience range starting 4 years to 10 plus years. And the company name is CGI. Employment type would be full time. Referral application process is very important. You do not have to send the resumes via the comments or approaching that particular person. What you have to do is see, understand this process. You have to follow these steps. You have to visit the CGI careers portal. You have to create and you have to log in using your registered email address. Search the role using the job ID mentioned above. Upload your updated resume, PDF, add up to 5 relevant skills. Enter the referral email, right? So this is the referral email address that you have to use and you have to submit the application. Okay. So once you are submitting this particular thing, then Manoj will receive the referral request and he will take it forward with the HR. But you don't have to share the resume on this email address because this he's working in the company over there, and he's asking you to follow the process, follow these steps as per their website. Steps are there and you have to follow, but he's giving his email address so that you get a chance, you get your CV gets shortlisted. So that's very important. So this is with respect to the CGI company, which is hiring for various testing and automation roles in Bangalore as well as in Hyderabad, the location. And you can see the SDET automation testing roles are there. It is related to Selenium Java, Selenium Python. SQL is also required. One opportunity with respect to ETL testing also you can find. So these days, most of the companies are looking for automation testing. So it is a good time to upgrade yourself with respect to automation testing if you are looking for a full-time career ahead in the field of software testing. So these are the job opportunities. Now, apart from that, there are further more job opportunities. Let me share those details as well with you. It's about the walk-in drives that would be happening. So first is a walk-in drive that would be happening for the manual test engineer, and they are looking for someone who has got expertise in banking and insurance domain, capital market and mutual funds, trade finance, and they are looking for someone with 1 to 7 years of experience. So you need to carry your updated CV along with a passport size photo. And the date and timings of the walk-in drive would be from 29th December to 3rd of Jan, and from 5th of Jan to 9th of Jan. And it is in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this is the location, Atmosis Technologies Private Limited. And these are the contact details wherein you have to apply. Then there's a walk-in drive for software tester and this for fresher experience 0 to 2 years. Notice period is immediate joining and the location is Baner, Pune. So this walk-in drive is for 3rd of January 12 p.m. onwards. So you can send your CV on this particular email address, and this is the name of the company. Okay. This particular software company is hiring a software testers, freshers, so you can apply. Then there's a hiring for manual testers, QA engineer. Experience required is 2+ years, and the name of the company is HK Infosoft. The location is Ahmedabad, and you can also WhatsApp the resume, the profile at this particular number, or you can send your resume at this particular email address. Okay, so these are the job opportunities for testers wherein you can apply. Okay, and don't forget to apply today itself because today is Saturday, but still there are, as you know, I have shared referral email addresses with you. So reach out to those particular portals, reach out to those particular systems, update your profile over there. It won't take much of time. And if you are utilizing referral email address properly, then definitely you would get a call in the next week itself. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.